Welcome to the Home Science lesson on Introduction to Resources. In this lesson, you will learn about goals, resources, and the management process. Let's get started. Our world, just like a jigsaw puzzle, is made up of various elements. These elements help us meet our needs and fulfill our goals. What are these elements? They are known as resources. Resources come in many forms, and we use them to achieve our aims and satisfy our needs. Have you ever achieved a goal? Maybe you bought a dress, posted a birthday card, or passed an examination. How did you feel after achieving these goals? Happy and satisfied, right? But what if we can't achieve our goals? It can leave us feeling unhappy and dissatisfied. That's why it's essential to understand resources and how to manage them wisely. Now, let's categorize these resources into two types, human and non-human. Human resources are unique to each person and include energy, skills, time, and knowledge. These are personal and cannot be stolen or shared. On the other hand, non-human resources, like money, land, community infrastructure, and material possessions, can be shared or owned individually. Resources are limited. We have limited money, time, and land. So, it's important to use them wisely. Here are some guidelines. Do not waste resources. Conserve resources. Explore alternative ways of using resources. Learn how to make resources last longer. While conserving resources, ensure you do not deprive others. Resource management is essential for achieving our goals. Sometimes, we have multiple goals to meet in a day, and we need to manage our time wisely. To do this, we can either increase our time, use it efficiently, or reduce our workload. Since we can't add more hours to the day, the key is effective utilization. Now, imagine your family is getting ready for a trip to attend your cousin's wedding. Your mom and dad are the organizers of this mission. But how do they manage everything? Let's break it down. Step 1. Planning. First things first, your parents make a checklist of all the tasks that need to be done. They need to plan for the trip properly. Step 2. Organizing. They decide who does what, when, and how. This step is all about fixing responsibilities and gathering the resources needed for the plan. For instance, they use money to buy tickets and arrange for the journey. They use their time and knowledge to organize the entire trip. Even you and your brother play a role by helping pack clothes and accessories. You're using your skills to design and stitch clothes for the wedding. Step 3. Implementing. This is where the action happens. They start carrying out the tasks according to the plan. But sometimes they need to make adjustments on the fly. And finally, step 4. Evaluation. After the plan is carried out, they evaluate what went right and what went wrong. This helps them improve for the future. See, management is like a cycle. Planning leads to organizing, which leads to implementing, and that, in turn, leads to evaluating. It's a continuous process. Just like building a house, you need a strong foundation. All these steps are essential for achieving your goals effectively. At each step, decisions are made and changes are implemented. This is what we call decision making. Now, let's talk about resources. Your family used various resources for the trip, like money, time, energy, and even the skills of family members. Resources can be human, like your skills, or non-human, like money and time. When assigning tasks, make sure people are willing, able, and have the time to do them. Otherwise, the plan might not go as smoothly as expected. Organizing ensures that work is distributed fairly and everyone's talents are utilized. And remember, evaluation is crucial. After implementing a plan, you should evaluate what worked and what didn't, so you can learn and do better next time. So, always follow these steps of management, and you will be on your way to achieving your goals successfully. And with that, we wrap up this informative lesson. For additional information on this lesson, please look at the content below the video in the online course. To get a list of the important questions and their answers for this lesson, please refer to the guidebook by our publications provided to you with this course for free. It shows you a list of all the questions that have the highest chance of coming in your next exams based on research carried out on previous year question papers. All the best, and I'll see you in the next lesson.